Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Zoom waiting room, meeting security setup step by step clearly. To set up a Zoom waiting room, start by logging into your Zoom account. Navigate to the Meetings tab in the left-hand menu. Select the meeting you wish to configure, or schedule a new meeting. Scroll down to the Meeting Options section. Locate the checkbox that says Enable Waiting Room. Check this box to activate the waiting room feature. You can customize the waiting room settings by clicking on the Edit button next to it. This allows you to choose who is placed in the waiting room. Options typically include all participants or specific groups such as guests. After making your selections, save the changes at the bottom of the page. If you want to set the waiting room as a default for all meetings, navigate to the Settings tab. Under the Meetings section, find the Waiting Room option. Enable the waiting room feature globally by checking the corresponding box. Ensure to review any additional meeting security settings for enhanced protection. Once all adjustments are made, proceed to schedule or start your meeting. When participants join, they will first enter the waiting room. As the host, you'll be notified of their arrival. You can admit participants individually or all at once. This provides control over who joins your meeting, enhancing security. Remember to communicate the waiting room process to participants ahead of time. This helps to ensure a smooth experience for everyone involved. Following these steps will make your Zoom meetings more secure with the waiting room feature enabled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.